What is going on, guys? I was just going through Reddit like every other stock investor, and I found out about the stock, and you guys gotta check this out. This might make you a millionaire or a billionaire. Let's find out. So it's a healthcare stock. It's a penny stock, and its market cap is 1.5 million or $1.2 million. Why is it getting hype? It's just submitted a FDA application October 23rd. Results due at the end of November, and so that's really soon. It's November 7th right now, so by the end of this month, this could be $1 million stock, and has a very small market cap, 1.2 million. And let's go over some things that I like and don't like about the company. Let's go over the positive first. So this guy already pretty much said the positives. They're not in a horrible situation regarding like the balance sheet. I'll check this out. But first, look at this. For small companies, I just found this out today. I didn't even know. For emerging, since it identifies as an emerging growth company, it is not. You can pause the video and read through the whole thing, but like check this out. Not being required to comply with auditor attestation requirements. So it is not doesn't have to get audited as the company. So whatever these numbers are, they put it out themselves. No out They didn't outsource a third party company to take and check their financial information, their numbers. Is it right? Is it not? And how long can they do this? Well, until they reach $1.2 billion of revenue. Their revenue right now is like 3 million a year, or they issue 1 billion worth of or 1 billion non-convertible debt. This is just insane. You can be careful going through these micro cap stocks. You can read here what the company does. I don't know much about healthcare companies, so I'm not even gonna bother to really understand it. I read through it. Feel free to read through it yourself. Let's see, they have some other stuff. Let's look at their assets, their balance sheet, which is one of the most important things because this company does not make any money, so it needs to have deep pockets. Does it have deep pockets? Let's find out. It has total assets 13 million. Okay, total liabilities 13 million. So they're right at zero. They still have, I think, 7 million in cash, which let's see how much they burn through in a year. Let's check this out. So they burn through 1.3 million. Well, if they keep going, almost 1 million in 3 months. So if they keep going like this, year or two, they'll have zero money. So I really hope this FDA approval hits and they get approved, especially for this guy. I was just scrolling through this. Look at this guy. I just threw 10K in it. I don't think that's true, but it's a lot of confidence. This guy has a lot of confidence. The guy that wrote the Reddit post. This guy, you have my money now. This is just hilarious. Just people just throw money at it. But this guy somehow makes sense. Talks about how the volume is really low, and how that's a good thing, and how the price can climb really fast while the volume is low and nobody hears about it. And then he gave an example of this other company went from 30 cents to $1. The volume came up, people started shorting the stock, went right back to 30 cents. And yeah, if you look at the chart really quickly, this is the 3 month chart. It just passed the 3 month moving average, so that's a really good thing. If you look at the 5 day, past all these moving averages, so that's a positive thing. If the price is above this line, good thing. If it's below, bad thing. That's pretty much the short explanation for it. Now, another heads up, they have insider. When looking at stocks like this, I love to look the insider transactions, or do people that work in this company actually own the stock of it, because that shows a lot about, because they'll know a lot more about the business than we do, just looking at these unaudited annual reports. Yeah, if you look at the revenue, it is growing. That's a good thing and whatnot. But this is just company, like, if you're investing in it, I hope you're not gonna stay in for too long. Sure, as a speculation, it's not a horrible idea to speculate with it, and maybe it goes up by the end of the month. No, I'm not a financial advisor yet. So do this information as you will. Don't be fooled. Market cap is not 4.7 million. It's just 1.2 million. This is nothing. So any kind of if this gets an FDA approval, a lot of people who know about it, or like these Reddit guys, are gonna make a bunch of money. So it's up to you to do your own research and find out. And if you want to be my very first subscriber, go subscribe. If you want to be the first liker, you have time, dude. You have time. Take your time and just go be the first like. Not much competition. But let me know in the comments what stocks you guys are looking at. How do you find your stocks? Besides Reddit and YouTube, not the best place to find a stock. And yeah, let me know.